Select a video you'd like to study. There are over 1,000 videos on different topics to choose from. Tap the video of your choice. There are several tools here you can use to learn. If you want to watch the whole video, tap the All icon. If you want to challenge yourself, tap the Sections icon for a listening quiz. Before you answer, the expression will be repeated a few times. Tap your answer. If you get the wrong one, you can try again. Good luck! If you want to focus on the highlighted expressions of the video, tap the specific icon. These expressions will be repeated 5 times, so you can get yourself familiar with them. You can follow along while they are repeated. After the 5th time, a pop-up will appear. You can watch it again, or you can watch a related expression in another video. Or simply dismiss it to go to the other expressions on the video.